In September of 2022, a Russian Su-27 fired 2 missiles at a Royal Air Force surveillance plane, almost starting a war between NATO and Russia. When the 2 Su-27s intercepted the plane, the Russian pilot wasn't supposed to launch his missiles, but due to the following ambiguous order, "You have the target, send by the ground control," he launches the first one. Fortunately, the missile missed the RAF plane. The other Russian pilot started arguing with him because he said that they didn't have permission to shot it down. Despite the argument, the Russian pilot launched his missile, but miraculously it fell of the wing, avoiding a catastrophic crisis.